In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create music on ElevenLabs. To get started, open your web browser and head to Google. This is the quickest way to find the official site without having to remember any exact web addresses. In the search bar, type the word ElevenLabs and hit enter. You should see the official ElevenLabs website appear near the top of the results. Click that result to open the site. Once you're on the ElevenLabs homepage, look for the Music section and click it. This takes you into their AI music creation tool, which is designed to turn written ideas into full instrumental tracks. Give the page a moment to load so all the controls appear properly. Now it's time to craft your prompt. Think of the prompt as clear instructions for genre, instruments, mood, and any key constraints. The more specific you are, the better the system can interpret your vision. For example, you might write, create a smooth R&B instrumental with soft drums, warm bass, gentle chords, and a soulful melody. The vibe should feel emotional, romantic, and relaxed, with subtle vocal-like synths and a slow, steady groove. Keep it clean, atmospheric, and modern, perfect for a late-night R&B mood. No vocals, instrumental only. Notice how that prompt names the style, instruments, vibe, and the important constraint that there should be no vocals. You can also mention tempo words like slow or upbeat and include production descriptors like warm, clean, or atmospheric. After you've entered your prompt, click the Generate button. The system will process your request and compose a track based on what you wrote. This can take a little time depending on server load and the complexity of your prompt. So be patient and keep the tab open while it works. If your prompt is very broad, the result might be less focused. If it's very narrow, you'll usually get something closer to what you imagined. When the track is ready, press play to listen. As you listen, compare what you hear to what you asked for. If you like the overall direction but want changes, tweak the wording in your prompt and generate again. For example, if the drums feel too busy, add phrases like sparse drums or minimal percussion. If the melody needs more lift, try soulful lead melody or brighter chord voicings. Small prompt adjustments can make a big difference in the next render. That's it. You searched for ElevenLabs, opened the Music tool, wrote a clear prompt, generated a track, and hit play to review it. Keep refining your prompt until the vibe matches your vision, and enjoy creating.